Hello, my friends. So these are some of my recent ideas in the world of skateboarding. So I'm going to go over some invention ideas and just some random ideas. This is the gym that we skate in on Wednesdays. The ground is so smooth. So first off, look at this airbag. This is for old people, but it could work. This thing, what if we brought that into skating? I thought about buying one of these. Did you guys see my trampoline video? If not, watch it. Also watch the Skate Nuts video. So this is something I saw on Facebook Marketplace. I've really enjoyed Grind King's podcast lately. I'm definitely enjoying the lockers, so watch all those videos. Also, this could work with skating. Just any kind of airbag. I was thinking about getting a cane to use on the mini ramp, but now we're really getting into the video here. So I used to skate for DKL kind of. They sent me grip tape and boards. So what about making some non-abrasive grip tape out of like phone case grip? So I tried it. It wasn't super grippy, but it sort of worked. It had a little bit of grip to it. It probably wasn't any better than just no grip tape. If it got a little wet, it's plasticky, so it's super slick. But I let some other people skate it too. And then I messed around with just like random sandpaper grip and stuff like that. I was using like little pieces of sandpaper. So this thing, the little dog leash, I had a whole video about that, I think. But then I skated it a few days after that and I never used these clips. I'm just trying to clean my phone off. I thought they were pretty good. You know, I let a lot of people try that out in Danville. You know, it's harder to do certain tricks with it because you have to bend over, it messes with your balance, but it's easier to do other tricks. My friend Zach is always pushing the limits and like setting up new stuff for us to skate. So he set this up. This is John Jennings. And we had a lot of fun, good session. I just used the dog leash like the whole night because I was in the mindset of I'm just gonna skate with this dog leash the rest of my life. I even bought a black one to mess around with. I was gonna like stick it through the pant leg so it doesn't appear, but that's really hard. It's like hold on to it at the top of my pants just like I'm holding my pants up. It turned out I'd have to have like really baggy pants to actually get away with that. John was trying this on the very top and it was like, wow, that's crazy. So then he moved down to that one. Like if you actually pulled in off the nose blunt on the top of that's a real trick there. That's crazy. This thing wasn't super easy to skate. Zach's really good at skating things that aren't easy to skate. I don't know if I could even really skate this thing without the dog leash. I had gotten so addicted to the dog leash at this point that I was just using it every day to skate with, and I wasn't doing any ollies. I don't like to ollie if I don't have to. I'm a mini ramp skater. So yeah, I kind of really got hooked on the dog leash. So I've been having a lot of fun with the shorts lately. Have you guys liked them? What do you think about the shorts where I'm just reacting to whatever's on the internet? Like I'll just type in funny and the most random stuff will come up. It's like really disappointing. It's not funny at all. And I just react to it. And that's actually been making pretty good money. Trying to pay my bills. It's not easy being a YouTuber. I mean, it's easier than being a professional skateboarder. They don't make hardly anything. I think people really overestimate how much professional skateboarders make, especially to live in LA. Like those guys, they don't just have one extra job. They have like multiple extra jobs. What do you think of this grip tape?
Looks like some Tetris stuff or something. Pretty sick, huh? Conserves grip tape. It's economical, aesthetic.
It's not abrasive. not abrasive. Feel it.
Let's see if it works.
ASMR. So I really liked this board for flip tricks with this grip. I kind of like a board that's not that grippy. I really like the DKL for flip tricks, but I didn't like it for skating mini ramp as much. That's why I kind of stopped skating it. Just stopped making videos, stopped sending them videos, and yeah. But here's the board when I just put random strips of like sandpaper and just other things that weren't actually grip on there. And it was decent. The board's too steep for me. I've found a better shape since then. This was that moose shape, and it was a little too steep for me. So the shape I found recently that's an 875 that's kind of flat with a longer wheelbase, longer nose and tail, that's what I'm really into now. So I probably couldn't skate that. Now that one's good for tray flips though, because it's such a short board. It's a short wheelbase and a steep board. I feel like tray flips are easier on that, but it's kind of harder to land. When you have that long wheelbase, it might be harder to flip, but it's definitely easier to make look good, roll away good, look smooth. With this little short board with more of a quick turn, I can do tricks on it, but it never looks good. So this was one of my main ideas, a cane. Now, I thought I could get away with the cane because I am old. This is Zach. Zach's old too, even though he looks like a teenager. Yeah, I have 2 canes, but I didn't think I could get away with that because 2 canes kind of gets into that disabled territory. Old guys usually only use 1. So I just did the 1. And with 1 cane, it makes skateboarding so much harder. It's like the worst idea I've ever had, so I couldn't make a whole video on it. So it had to be included in this video. Maybe it could help you ollie and get a little height if you can't ollie and you feel really uncomfortable. I think the cane with 4 prongs that I showed earlier in the video would be better, but this one was cheaper. It was $4 at Goodwill. The other one's like $40 at Walmart, and I'm not gonna spend that because I'm not gonna make that back. Now you could ollie over the cane. That's kind of how I learned to ollie as a kid, over little sticks and stuff, and that could work, but you could also ollie over anything. So the cane was a bad idea. Sometimes I fail, you know, like Michael Jordan. He got kicked off of his middle school basketball team, or didn't even make it on his middle school basketball team, whatever that emotional quote that they always say where he's like, I've failed so many times. You know, I fail constantly, and that's what skateboarding is. It's failing way more than it's succeeding. So just get out there and fail. That's what I'm doing with the shorts. That's what I'm doing with YouTube. Most of the videos fail. That doesn't matter because some of the videos succeed and actually work. People view them, people like them. Doesn't matter that I fail 1,000,000 times as long as I succeed 1 time. So I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm going to try harder every single day. I'm going to learn, I'm going to grow, and that's what I expect you guys to do too. And this channel is the average adult skateboarder. This channel is about growing. It's about becoming the strongest version of yourself, becoming the best version of yourself. Sometimes that involves jumping on a trampoline. Sometimes that involves messing around with a cane. Sometimes that involves putting stickers on your skateboard. It involves a lot of random stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.